Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to reach level 30 on the Diablo Immortal mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. All you need to do is you need to log in into your Diablo Immortal account, and if you already log in, you can go to Darkwood maps. Okay guys, go to Darkwood and you can hunting in these maps. Okay, doing quests or hunting the monster like this. And for this example, I'm doing quests with also I farming the monster like this, so I can gain my experience so fast. And it will more easily if you are playing a necromancer like this, like me, I mean, because you have a skeleton that you can tank the enemy like this. Okay, so you need to do the quest to the Hamlir and gain the experience. Okay. Okay, and this I will defend the Hamlir, so the Hamlir will never get attacked by the enemy. Don't forget to use my ultimate if you already if your ultimate is ready. Relax guys. Need one more. Okay, and now I reach my level 30. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.